Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and as you can see, market is in a range. Okay, and if you are a trader who trades on a regular basis, then you know it pretty well that NZD USD is in a range for quite some time. Because see, if I zoom out the chart, then we can easily see that market is in a range. Okay, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I recommended buy at this support level, and hopefully you have made good money because I have received many comments and WhatsApp messages where people have shown their happiness on making profit at these levels. Okay, and if you are in a profit right now, then enjoy the profit. You don't need to do anything. And if you have missed the opportunity, let's see what we can do on Monday. So this is the chart of NZD USD. Okay, as you can see, market is in a sideways market, and as we all know, whenever a market is in uptrend like this, we should only go for buy order because we should stay with the trend. And when the market is falling, we should mainly short the market because we should stay with the trend and we should not go against the trend. Okay, but in a sideways market like this, we get opportunities on both the sides. We can also short the market here and we can also buy at the support level. Okay, and this thing is continuing in the NZD USD for quite some time because market is caught in a tight range. We have wait, this wait, let me draw the price levels. Okay, we have these price levels. Okay, 0.7313 on the downside or on the upside as the resistance, and whereas we have got 7150 or 71 this level. Okay, let's say 7150 on the downside as the support. So this is the resistance for us and this is the support for us right now. And the main reason behind this is we can find it in the strength meter, currency strength meter. This is the currency strength meter, currencyquack.com. This is free of cost. You can also use it. Okay, and right now I'm in the monthly time frame here because we can see that NZD USD is in a range for quite some time. That's why I'm in the monthly time frame. And in the monthly time frame also we can see that uh, this is the NZD, and NZD is very strong. Okay, NZD is positive on the monthly time frame, and whereas USD is also positive on the monthly time frame. Whereas you can see that strength is 5.5 and this is 3.8, not much difference. Okay, if a currency is positive, one currency is positive and one currency is negative, then we get some good opportunities to trade. But when we get both the currencies on the positive side like this, then we get a sideways market like this. Okay, and right now we are getting this market. Okay, so because currency is positive on the both the side. Okay, if one currency is positive and one currency is negative, then we get a trending market. But whenever both the currencies are quite positive, okay, then we get a market like this. Okay, so what should be a strategy for Monday? Okay, if you are in a profit right now, then enjoy the profit. You don't need to do anything. And if you are looking for fresh opportunity, then I'll say that do not chase the market. Okay, let the price come to you. As I always say, never ever chase the market. Okay, so your best trading opportunity will be either at this support level, okay, and at this resistance level. Okay, if market comes down to the support level, then just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see that just like the previous times, market has taken support and market is about to bounce from here, okay, you'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer or price rejection from below or a green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is still respecting this level as a valid support, then you can go for a buy order. Easily you can go for buy order at this price level. In case market crosses this level, then also do not short the market. because see, market is respecting this price level for quite some time. Then if market crosses also, then also you should not short the market right away. Okay, just avoid the market. I'll come on Monday and tell you what should be your next strategy. Okay, so in case market goes up from here, then that's your best spot to buy. Right now market is trading here. This is the current market price. So let the market open on Monday. If you see that market is trading somewhere around here, then do not buy, because see, if you buy here, your stop loss will be here. This is your buy price, this is your stop loss. Don't you think this gap is too much? Your risk to reward ratio will be not in your favor. Therefore, do not trade in the middle. Let the price come to you. Maybe it may take one day extra or 2 days extra, but do not compromise with the trading discipline. Let the price come to you. Okay, when market will come down to your price, then only that will be a golden spot to hit it. Okay. So this is your first trading opportunity at the support level. Okay, on the resistance zone. Okay, if market goes up from here, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market at this price level, 0.7313 level. When market will go up from here and reach the resistance level, your duty will be to observe the price again. There is a good possibility that market will reverse. I'll be discussing that part later. Okay, so when market will reach this particular price level, just observe the price level, how the price reacts. If you see the price is struggling, okay, there is not much strength, then you can easily short the market. But as I always say, confirmation is always important. Confirmation can be in the form of a shooting star, or a price rejection from above, or a red candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, this resistance is still very crucial for the market, this resistance is still valid, then you can short the market here, okay, at this price level. And this resistance is very crucial for the market. Let me show you why. For this, I need to take you to the weekly chart, and if you have watched my previous video, then you know it pretty well that I'm a big fan of weekly time frame and multi time frame analysis. So if I remove this, then you can see that, okay, you can see that since 2011, what I'm saying, since 2021, okay, since 2021, market is trying to cross this level. Can you see this line? This is a pivot line, this resistance. Okay, market is trying to cross this resistance since January 2021, and still market is struggling. Market is finding it very hard to cross this resistance. Therefore this resistance is extremely crucial for the market. Therefore you'll get a good opportunity to short the market at the level I just showed you on the 4 hours time frame. Therefore wait for the market opening and see how the price reacts, and remember, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Okay, never ever compromise with the trading discipline. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.